My name is Dr. Ben Gigi. I'm the National Treasurer, NGA, New Generation Leaders, and I'm here with a team of leaders from all the universities in Nairobi and represented in this country. Yesterday, we saw violence in the county of Nairobi. We saw police shooting innocent picketers and a young man like Mwangi who was shot in the head, which we condemn strongly. We have seen previously Albert Ojwang, who was mishandled in the police cell and he was murdered. We have seen in the past young men and women who have been mishandled by rogue police whose interest is blood. And what we are asking, has the order come from the office of the president? And if so, why is the presidency killing the young people? Is they afraid of the coming election 2027? Because now we know the young people, we are the majority in this country and we have a voice. So as new generation aspirants, we are coming together just to rally our support behind all the aspirants, including myself. And we are saying that we are taking over power come 2027 and we have a voice. Let not these old guards come and dictate and take advantage of the maandamano that are taking place in this country. We saw what happened after the June 25th maandamano of last year. After that maandamano, we saw the handshake between Right Honorable Raila Odinga and President Ruto. He took advantage of what the young people had orchestrated from before, and they didn't do anything for the young people. So we are gathering as the young people, saying that we are taking leadership of this country of Kenya and the counties in Kenya. And the next point is just to call on the young people to unite together, to take a vote, and to ensure that they are ready to vote in this coming election. And let us not be afraid of those who are dominant in the political sphere. We are the ones to take power in the next election, and we have the capability, we are learned, we have the integrity, we have the intelligence, we have the strategy, we have the vision to take over power in this country.